How to make money as a student. Let's face it, most students are not blessed with a substantial amount of disposable income. Trying to keep up with mounting expenses and student loans can be a burden, making every dollar earned valuable. Many of us require extra income to sustain a decent quality of life and to achieve financial freedom without compromising our education. Whether you're a full-time or part-time student, juggling work and studies can seem overwhelming, but plenty of opportunities are available. Don't worry anymore. Whether you're looking for a part-time job, a side hustle, or a way to turn your passions into profits as a student. In this video, we'll discuss practical tips and advice on how to make money as a student. So let's dive in. Event DJ or musician. If you love music and enjoy entertaining a crowd, consider becoming an event DJ or musician. You can perform at parties, weddings, corporate events, and other gatherings. To become a DJ, you must invest in equipment like turntables, headphones, and speakers. To become a musician, you'll need to have your instrument and be able to play it well. You can advertise your services on social media, at your school, or on local classified websites. You can also network with event planners, wedding coordinators, and other professionals in the industry. Food or product blogger and influencer. If you're a foodie or a product junkie, you might want to consider starting a blog or social media account dedicated to your passion. You can share recipes, reviews, and recommendations with your audience. As you grow your following, you can start working with brands and companies to promote their products. You can earn money through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and other partnerships. The key is to provide value to your audience and build trust with them. Personal shopper or stylist. If you have a talent for fashion and love to shop, you might want to consider becoming a personal shopper or stylist. You can help people find the perfect outfit for a special occasion, update their wardrobe, or give them a new look. You can advertise your services on social media, at your school, or through word of mouth. You can charge a fee for your services or earn commissions on the items you recommend. Video content creator or YouTuber. If you love creating videos and have a message to share, consider becoming a video content creator or YouTuber. You can create content around a specific niche or topic like beauty, gaming, travel, or education. As you grow your audience, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. You can also collaborate with other creators and cross-promote each other's channels. The key is to be authentic, engaging, and consistent with your content. Campus brand ambassador or campus representative. If you're outgoing and love to connect with people, consider becoming a campus brand ambassador or representative. You can represent a company or organization on campus, promoting their products or services to your peers. You can earn money through commissions, bonuses, or other incentives. This is a great way to build your communication and marketing skills and gain team experience. Pet sitter or dog walker. If you love animals and enjoy being outdoors, consider becoming a pet sitter or dog walker. You can offer your services to busy pet owners needing help caring for their furry friends. You can advertise your services on social media, at your school, or through local pet stores. You can charge an hourly rate or a flat fee depending on the service you're offering. Language tutor or conversation partner. If you're fluent in a foreign language or have a talent for teaching, consider becoming a language tutor or conversation partner. You can offer your services to students or adults looking to improve their language skills. You can advertise your services on social media, at your school, or through language learning websites. You can charge an hourly rate or a flat fee depending on the service you're offering. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is becoming increasingly popular, especially due to the pandemic. You can offer your services to students of all ages who need help with a particular subject. You can advertise your services on social media or through tutoring websites. You can charge an hourly rate or a flat fee depending on the service you're offering. This is a great way to help others while earning some extra money. Graphic designer. If you have a talent for design and art, consider becoming a freelance graphic designer. You can offer your services to businesses, individuals, or nonprofit organizations who need help designing logos, websites, flyers, or other visual materials. You can advertise your services on social media, at your school, or through online platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can charge an hourly rate or a flat fee depending on the project you're working on. Virtual assistant. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and have good communication skills, consider becoming a virtual assistant for busy professionals or small business owners. You can offer your services remotely, helping with scheduled appointments, managing emails, or data entry. You can advertise your services on social media, at your school, or through online platforms like TaskRabbit or Freelancer. Content creator. If you're passionate about a particular topic, consider becoming a content creator. You can create videos, blog posts, podcasts, or social media content around your niche and monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. You can advertise your content on social media, your website or blog, or online platforms like YouTube or Twitch. Freelance writer. If you have a writing talent, consider becoming a freelance writer. You can offer your services to businesses, individuals, or nonprofit organizations who need help with content creation, copywriting, or editing. You can advertise your services on social media, at your school, or through online platforms like Contenta or ProBlogger. You can charge an hourly rate or a flat fee, depending on the project you're working on. Photographer. If you have a talent for photography, consider becoming a freelance photographer. You can offer your services to individuals, businesses, or nonprofit organizations who need help with event photography, product photography, or portrait photography. You can advertise your services on social media, at your school, or through local photography clubs. You can charge an hourly rate or a flat fee, depending on the project you're working on. Amazon seller. You can become an Amazon seller if you have an entrepreneurial spirit and some extra items lying around your house. You can sell your items on Amazon's platform and make a profit. You can also buy items in bulk and resell them on Amazon for a profit. You can advertise your products on social media or through Amazon's marketplace. Fitness instructor. If you're passionate about fitness and enjoy teaching others, consider becoming a fitness instructor. You can offer services at local gyms or through online platforms like Zoom. You can teach classes like yoga, pilates, or HIIT training. You can advertise your services on social media, at your school, and through local fitness communities. You can charge an hourly rate or a flat fee, depending on the type of class you're teaching. Delivery driver. With the rise of on-demand delivery services, becoming a delivery driver can be a great way to make money as a student. You can work for companies like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Grubhub and deliver food to customers. You can set your schedule and work as much or as little as you want. It is a great option for students who have a car or bike and want to make some extra cash in their spare time. Social media influencer. If you have a large social media following, promote their products or services to your followers. Some popular social media platforms for influencers include Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. To become an influencer, you must have a consistent and engaged following. This means regularly posting high-quality content that resonates with your audience. You also need to be authentic and transparent with your followers, as they will trust you more if you're honest about your opinions and experiences. Whether you work a traditional part-time job, freelance online, or start your own business, there are plenty of opportunities if you're willing to put in the time and effort. Remember, making money as a student is about finding the right balance between work and school. Don't sacrifice your grades or your mental health for a few extra bucks. Make sure you're prioritizing your studies and taking care of yourself first. See, there's nothing wrong with earning some extra cash while you're at school. Whether you're saving up for a trip, paying off student loans, or want some spending money, these ways are a great place to start. So go ahead and try out some of these ideas. You might even discover a new passion or career path along the way. And remember, the most important thing is to stay focused on your goals and keep working hard towards your dreams.